Hello guys, welcome to the channel Legit Online Earning, and today I have come up with absolutely killer book for the trading. If you want to learn trading on your own and you want to become financially strong and you want to do trading on your own, then this man you are looking at the screen, this man, he is called as EmperorBTC. His Twitter handle is EmperorBTC. He is one hell of a trader. He is one hell of a trader. I have been following him since last year, July 2020, and he has got 70,000 followers, and he has joined on 2010 August. And this man is absolutely fantastic. He's a gem of a person, and he gives the real strategies, no bullshit, no scam. He gives 110% perfect entries, and you can see here, if you want to learn everything, he has given everything, his strategies and everything, so today what he has shared with us, and he runs the group on the Telegram. This is his Telegram group as well, and I'm not promoting him on this video. Is not a sponsorship video, nothing to do with him. Just wanted to share with you guys, because on this channel I got very bad hate. People thought that I gave them the signal of TLM coin and this and that, but believe me, it was not my mistake or anything like that. I just show you the strategy. I just show you the analysis on the past and things like that. Every person who traded on TLM coin got wrecked, and a very bad thing. So I wanted to give you back something that you can guys know that this guy is amazing. If you really want to learn trading, go check out his channel. And today he has shared his book, his personal book, my technical analysis book, Bitcoin Trading Manual, Reach Your Implant. And this book is one of his masterpieces. This is his first book, and he has shared everything. You can see just half an hour ago, and already he's getting 1500 likes, retweets, and so much more. And he's doing it for free, and the link I have given this in the in the description as well. Make sure to click and download the book. This is the book, and you see he has shared all the strategies. You see, before you start, introduction, technical analysis, candlestick, support and resistance, everything. This is a gem of a knowledge. This is all the knowledge you need to trade. So go and look at this book and learn. And he has also given the strategies as well for the trading. So don't join the paid groups, anything like that. Just research this book and go through this book and learn trading on your own. So that's it for today, guys. I just wanted to give you some free tips. That's all. Take care. Bye.